The art of crafting a cliffhanger ending. A cliffhanger is a narrative technique used to leave the reader or audience with a sense of uncertainty, suspense, or anticipation, making them eager to know what happens next. A well-crafted cliffhanger can be a powerful tool to keep readers engaged, invested, and eager for more. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to finish a story with a cliffhanger ending. Establish the story's momentum. Before ending the story, ensure that the plot has reached a peak or a turning point. This could be a dramatic event, a revelation, or a crucial decision that sets the stage for the cliffhanger. Introduce a new element or twist. A cliffhanger often relies on introducing a new element or twist that raises questions and creates tension. This could be a character's true identity, a hidden agenda, or an unexpected event that changes the story's direction. Create a sense of urgency. Cliffhangers work best when the reader feels a sense of urgency or desperation. This can be achieved by creating a ticking clock, a deadline, or a limited time frame for the characters to react. Leave the reader with unanswered questions. The key to a successful cliffhanger is to leave the reader with unanswered questions. This could be related to the plot, characters, or setting. Make sure to leave the reader wondering what will happen next. Use the characters' emotions and reactions to make the cliffhanger more impactful. Use the characters' emotions and reactions to convey the tension and uncertainty. This could be through dialogue, body language, or internal monologues. End the story with a hook. The final sentence or scene should be a hook that grabs the reader's attention and makes them want to know what happens next. This could be a dramatic revelation, a cliffhanger question, or a bold declaration. Keep the cliffhanger subtle yet effective. Avoid making the cliffhanger too obvious or heavy-handed. Instead, use subtle hints and suggestions to create a sense of mystery and intrigue. Make sure the cliffhanger is consistent with the story's tone. Ensure that the cliffhanger ending is consistent with the story's tone and genre. A horror story, for example, should have a darker and more ominous cliffhanger, while a romantic comedy might have a more light-hearted and playful one. Plan the next installment. Before ending the story, consider what will happen next and how you'll continue the plot. This will help you to create a cohesive and engaging story arc. Some examples of cliffhanger endings include: the hero is about to be killed, but the villain is interrupted by an unknown ally. This creates a sense of urgency and raises questions about the hero's fate and the identity of the ally. The protagonist discovers a shocking secret, but is interrupted before they can reveal it to others. This creates a sense of tension and raises questions about the secret's significance and who might be involved. The story reaches a climax, but is interrupted by an unexpected event or twist. This creates a sense of surprise and raises questions about the event's implications and how the characters will react. By following these steps and tips, you can craft a cliffhanger ending that will leave your readers eager for more and invested in the story's continuation.